Welcome to our Microsoft Word formatting tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through various techniques to enhance the formatting of your documents in Microsoft Word, ensuring they are visually appealing and well organized. Let's get started. First, let's talk about basic text formatting. Select the text you wish to format and use the toolbar at the top to modify the font, size, and style. You can also utilize the formatting options on the Home tab for more advanced options, such as bold, italic, underline, highlighting, and more. Additionally, to align your text, click on the Paragraph section in the Home tab. Here you can choose different alignment options, including left, center, right, and justified. Now let's move on to formatting paragraphs. To change the indentation or spacing between paragraphs, navigate to the Paragraph section once again, and modify the settings accordingly. If you want to create bullet points or numbered lists, you can access these options in the Paragraph section as well. This will help you present information in a more organized manner. Next, let's discuss headers and footers. These elements can be added on each page of your document to display important information such as page numbers, document titles, and author names. To access headers and footers, simply click on the Insert tab and choose Header or Footer. Moving on, let's talk about tables. Tables are a great way to organize data within your documents. To insert a table, click on the Insert tab, select Table, and choose the number of rows and columns you desire. To further enhance your document's appearance, you can insert images and shapes. These elements can be placed within your document to supplement your text. Click on the Insert tab, choose Pictures for images, or Shapes for different shapes to add. Lastly, let's explore the formatting options for page layout. Click on the Layout tab to access settings like margins, page orientation, page size, and more. These options allow you to customize your document's layout to suit your needs. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.